Cleaning and sanitising is an important aspect of owning and operating a food business to ensure the food you produce is safe to eat. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, there are over 5 million cases of foodborne illness in Australia each year, and this number continues to increase. Over 1 million of these cases result in hospitalisation. Food poisoning is caused when bacteria are allowed to multiply and reach levels harmful to humans. It is a requirement by law to ensure food businesses are kept clean and adequately sanitised. The purpose of cleaning is to remove food waste, dirt, grease or any other food particles. The purpose of sanitising is to kill bacteria associated with food poisoning. Cleaning can be achieved by applying hot soapy water to bench tops, equipment and utensils. It is important to keep floors, walls and ceilings clean, paying close attention to hard to reach areas. Sanitising can be achieved through either heat or chemicals to bench tops, equipment and utensils. Council recommends a ready-to-use, no-rinse food-grade sanitiser chemical, which can be purchased from a local chemical supplier. It is important to read the manufacturer's instructions as the dilution rate must be correct for it to be effective. Commercial dishwashers are also a way to sanitise equipment as they reach temperatures high enough to kill bacteria. The use of a cleaning schedule is recommended to ensure that all areas of your food premises are cleaned regularly. This schedule should capture daily, weekly and monthly cleaning activities. Templates for cleaning schedules can be found on the Queensland Health website.
It's important that food businesses comply with the Queensland Food Act 2006 and the Australian and New Zealand food safety standards. Food businesses that do not comply may face serious penalties, which could include warnings, legal notices, fines and prosecutions. Council's environmental health officers assist food businesses in understanding their requirements and are able to provide advice and support. For further information, please visit Council's website or call Council's Customer Service Centre for further assistance.